We all know the standard format of a police drama series, from Midsummer Murders to Starsky and Hutch. A crime is committed, almost always murder, and it is up to our bitter, sweet or Scottish officer to find clues, encounter a ton of suspects, and unravel the mystery. Most of these can be described as whodunits. But what about a show where there is no whodunit? A program where we know who the killer is, and even why and how they did it. The mystery lies in how are they going to be brought to justice. Created by William Link and Richard Levinson, Columbo was an adaptation of their 1962 play Prescription Murder, where a shabby, absent-minded, kind-hearted, chain-smoking detective keeps popping up with more questions and observations until he finally proves that a therapist murdered his wife. The TV series first aired in 1968 and quickly became a worldwide hit. The Lieutenant was played by Peter Falk. You probably remember him as the 10th actor to say Ghostbusters in the music video of the same name, and as literally an old fart in Shark Tale. Truly a distinguished end to a masterfully paved career. Falk described Columbo as a man with the mind of Sherlock Holmes who just happened to prefer dressing like a tramp. The iconic raincoat and battered Peugeot 403 were both Falk's pickings, and apparently many of Columbo's quick anecdotes about his family were ad-libs.
Sir.
Yes?
You don't mind if I ask you a personal question, do you?
No.
What'd you pay for those shoes?
I think about $60.
I stepped into some water yesterday. I ruined mine. You don't know where I could get a pair that looks like that for around 16 or 17.
Episodes lasted roughly 80 minutes, so only 6 to 8 were made per year. And the one I'm choosing to chat through was broadcast on May 2nd, 1976. Why am I choosing this particular episode? Well, what happens when you take a show with a very defined formula, change it, and have the main actor act like he is on tranquilizers? You end up with Last Salute to the Commodore.
All right, let's get this damn thing over with.
Oi, my videos are not that bad.
Can you give us a smile, sir, please?
Fire! 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 Oh!
Columbo's superiors have requested that Mac shadow him to gain experience as a detective. This last happened in an episode of the second series where the eager Wilson tried to assist the lieutenant with the case, while Columbo kept nonchalantly keeping him out of his thick hair, as his type of sleuthing requires working alone. Incidentally, Wilson returned in the previous episode to this one, but this time his only real use was in carrying around the lieutenant's new coat, which he was purposely trying to lose.
I'll be a son of a gun. Where'd you find that?
You left it in the cafeteria.
I thought somebody stole it.
At police headquarters?
Nice boats.
Columbo, we are 30 minutes into the episode. How about some point?
Have a nice meditation.
Don't get too close, Columbo. It could take her 30 years, but she might announce to the press that you touched more than her shoulder.
Don't drink!
Go easy on her. If Joan Crawford was my mother, I'd be an alky too. Double obscure reference.
Yay.
Don't you know that smoking can kill you?
Whoa. You're right, Sergeant. Thank you. The hole.
I'm so high right now. I have no idea what's going on.
Lassie? A-S-S-L-I-S-Lee.
Lisa S. We've met a character called Lisa. Her surname must be S. Lisa S.
How long can you stay under there with that tank?
With a full tank, about 45 minutes.
What are you doing tonight?
Nothing.
Sitting here in the dark, stroking this glass, will definitely prove I'm not the killer. So here is another formula breaker this episode dares to do. Not only that the suspect/main celebrity guest wasn't the murderer, or that we still have no idea who the murderer is, but Columbo and his crack team of pointlessness were wrong. Dead wrong.
It was all so simple. Nice straight line.
When are your cases ever simple? You're normally bothered by everything.
Little things bother me. I'm a worrier. I mean, little insignificant details. I lose my appetite. I can't eat. It was just that music thing that bothered me. Carnegie Hall and Nashville. They don't mix. A couple of things that bother me, there were a couple of things that bothered me, sir. It's a funny kind of pencil to doodle with.
I've got to ask you where you've been, Mrs. Clay.
Where's the baby?
A clue! Really, Holmes, you never cease to amaze me.
All right, let's get on with it.
All right, now I got a list of suspects here.
Go show that.
Well, everybody knows that the Commodore had been acting a little funny lately.
Commodore's what?
Tisn't.
Commodore's what?
So what?
Please tell me he is not going to creep up to everyone and ask that.
Commodore's what?
Big deal.
Daddy's watch?
Just one more.
No.
Come on, Nigel. It's his catchphrase. I have to reference it.
No.
But he doesn't even say it in the bloody episode.
No.
But
No.
Oh, come on. Can I at least show a clip of him saying it from another episode?
Oh, listen, just one more.
No.
Please?
No.
Oh, sod it.
That was Jeffy with a moustache. He's grown a moustache, so you don't have to.
I heard that, you son of a...